How to add story on Instagram from laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add story on Instagram app from our laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add story from Instagram on laptop, by default you can see I'm on instagram.com, and if I go to create option, we can choose to upload a post, but we cannot create stories. Now to actually upload stories from our laptop on computer, we have to convert this web interface into a mobile interface, and to do this, just right click your mouse on an empty space. Remember, on an empty space you cannot do it above a profile picture or above a text. Make sure that it is in an empty space, then go to this option called inspect. Once you go to inspect, on the right hand side you can see elements, and beside elements you can see this little computer like icon, so click on that icon there. Now by default again you can see we have done this interface. Now choose the dimensions from responsive to any of the other mobile models. I'm using S20 Ultra, so I'll select that. Now you just have to refresh it. Now once you refresh it, you can see the layout has been changed, and this time if you look under your profile picture you can see it says your story. So now we can basically click on this option here, then we can go ahead and then choose to upload a certain story, and then we can go ahead and then also choose to basically make some edits if you want. We can add some text or whatever else it is, and then you'll be able to add that story. This way you can add story from Instagram on laptop. Hope this video is helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.